Meaning of interactivity.
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 Interactivity. Interactivity refers to the ability of a system or medium to respond to user input. It allows users to actively engage with and manipulate digital content, rather than simply passively consuming it. In other words, interactivity involves a two-way communication between the user and the system, where the user's actions can affect the output or response of the system. This concept is often used in the context of digital media such as websites, video games, and mobile applications, where user interaction is a key component of the user experience.